crafted by Ben Petersen, the mind behind WIUG, Ben Banters and more. The Knafs Lander emerges from Ben's in-depth exploration of knife trends, drawing on over a decade of industry expertise. It successfully achieves the standards of excellence, affordability, and adaptability, embodying Ben's commitment to the right to repair ethos. Knafs actively promotes the disassembly of the Lander, featuring swiftly interchangeable scales that can be swapped without dismantling the entire knife, along with readily available replacement parts. Utilizing a caged ceramic ball-bearing pivot system, the drop-point blade of this knife swiftly and smoothly deploys through ambidextrous dual thumb studs. The nearly full flat grind steel blade ensures robust performance and excellent durability, enhancing grip and serving as a reliable indexing reference. A small portion of jimping on the spine adds tactile traction. The rugged black stone-washed finish not only conceals wear, but also maintains a discreet, non-reflective appearance. Constructed with dual inset stainless steel liners connected by barrel spacers, this knife boasts an easily maintainable and lightweight open-back design. The fast swap handle scales provide a robust grip with ample traction, ensuring durability while allowing for convenient customization through easy scale removal. The scales are open source under the Creative Commons License Attribution 4.0 International, and CAD files are available for download on the Knafs website. The inset liner lock operates reliably, ensuring a secure and solid lockup for safe and confident use. The Knafs Lander is available in 3 distinct model versions. The Knafs 00066 model features a drop-point blade crafted from black stone-washed D2 tool steel and comes with black G10 handle scales. In contrast, the Knafs 00065 model is equipped with a stone-washed D2 tool steel drop-point blade and boasts blue G10 handle scales. For an enhanced experience, the Knafs 00156 model receives an upgrade with 14C28N blade steel and stylish micarta handles.